I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Women naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we're lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I gotta hate myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
Hey Survivor Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't think I have opened this vlog properly. I started it yesterday on a Friday, the 21st. Was it the 21st? Yes. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kamarelo Mashero and I am positively living with HIV. Welcome to the family, and if you haven't subscribed, please do consider to hit the subscribe button. It's free. Please join our family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting this channel. So it is a Saturday evening. I think it's 5 o'clock in the evening, and I am wearing my thrower here. I just took a shower and I want to do my face. Yeah, I want to do my face, and then probably I will check online if what time do they close go at home. I want to go to at home. Mr. L has been saying his place it's so cold. He doesn't have a heater, he doesn't have anything, and he doesn't even have a gown. So he's been saying, oh yeah, I wish I can get a gown, because it's so cold here. And it is cold. Like Mr. L's place, it's so cold, you guys. I don't remember the last time I slept over there, but yeah, it is so cold. It is so cold. There's no a lot of sunshine coming in. So I'm thinking it's his birthday. Remember I said I wanted to go and buy him a gift. I wanted to buy him something, but I ordered that on Superbalist this afternoon. I am praying that the order comes. Well, the order is gonna come on the 25th, and his birthday it's on the 26th. So yeah, but again, Take a Lot has never given me a problem. When they say the 25th, it's the 25th. When they say the second, it's the second. So I'm quickly gonna check online what time do they close. Today is a Saturday. I'm not sure if they close at 6 or 8 p.m, but I will check. And if they close late, then I'm quickly gonna request an Uber, go to Mall of Africa, because it's so late, and also because tomorrow is a Sunday. I am serving at church. Yes, I'm serving at church, and I know myself, after church, like, I always want to come back and take a nap. So I want to avoid that. And during the week I have a lot of work, and also I have a training, so I won't have time to go to Mall of Africa during the week before his birthday. So today's the only chance that I had, but I decided to sleep because I was just so tired. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then I am gonna, he's not here, he's not around. His mom's birthday was on the 20th. His dad was on the 21st. And then his birthday it's on the 26th. So he went to see his parents and bought them gifts he bought them gifts. We'll deliver the gifts, and so he's not here, and yeah, he won't see me, but he's coming back today. I am hoping that he does not come back while I'm still go Mall of Africa, because he'll probably call me and tell me, no babe, I came by and you're not here, and then I have to come up with a lie to cover up, you know, so that he doesn't know that I'm getting him something. I'm not sure if he's expecting something, because last year when we started dating, his birthday came first and we're still like 3 months into the relationship, and I was just like, I don't know if this will go bila and all of that. I don't want to invest too much into the relationship, and I did not get him like anything valuable, you know. I think I made him breakfast and I cooked supper for him, yeah, and I just bought him some goodies like his favorite snacks and all of that. I think so I made like a little hamper, and yeah, that was it. So now I went all out. I'm buying him things, like valuable things that he likes and he wants and he doesn't have. So yeah, so I don't want to give it away that I'm preparing something for him. I hope he's not outside listening. But anyway, you guys, yeah, I'm actually setting myself a bar. Like Linda last year, he didn't get me anything like big. He just, what did he get me? Yo, I can't even remember. What did he get me? Did he also make a hamper? Yo, guys, but he didn't get me something else I could say this is from Mr. L for my birthday. So I'm just setting a bar, and now when it's the 1st of December, I want something. I want something, guys. Let me get ready and then check and then request and then go. But if they are closed, then I'm gonna have to go tomorrow after church, meaning my nap time will be used, and it's fine. So let me get ready, let me get dressed, and then yeah, I'll check you guys when I am done. Yeah.
Don't be caught up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. I hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you riding. I'm last minute shit to the highlight. Drip, when you sliding. Bit, better ride it. Don't hesitate when you vision wise, like it. Taking up a gate for you. Sweet boy, better get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me why outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right. Oh yeah, you know you tried on time. Baby, bring it to me, just one lie. No, I need it more than just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, just one lie. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I can do it all.
Guys, I was doing dishes. I just finished washing dishes, and I made coffee. Guys, I just asked Figili to come to accompany me to Mall of Africa. Yeah. So she's just getting ready quickly, and then we're gonna go. Oh yeah, we're gonna go. Please don't mind. You know, the camera is so clear to a point where now I am seeing the stains on the wall. They are so visible. If you're seeing stains here, guys, please don't come for me. This is my living arrangement for now. I've been saying this for the past 5 years. This is my living arrangement for now. And one thing about our landlord, when we ask him to do things, shame, you will ask for a decade before he can actually do things for you. We've been requesting to repaint our rooms, but yeah, it is that. So I'm having coffee. I just finished washing dishes, and I'm pointing down because I wash my dishes more fast. It's more like I get to wash my dishes very fast, unlike when I have to wash on this table here. So yeah, because I've got limited space, yeah, so I just put everything more fussy, like the way how Hanzo washes his dishes. If you've been an OG, you would know how Hanzo washes his dishes. But yeah, I just finished doing that. I made myself some coffee and I'm just waiting for my friend to quickly finish up getting ready, and then we're gonna go. And yes, at home they close at 8 p.m. even on Saturdays. So yes guys, I'll catch you when we get to the mall. Sharp.
Till our names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Instead of low beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is brandy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out. Hate me. Bring my problems. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. Not a check. Then you gotta bounce. I got the drip. Come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is a grouch. See me win. They gotta hurt. Ouch.
Oh, this is actually nice.
From the couch. Back.
Ne? Kirata the headboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make it different. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Bunking, I just hung and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you.
Hey guys, so we done buying and we actually waiting for the gown by the like more like a gift. Yeah, but yona. So we're just chilling here. They said they might take like a while. So yeah, I'm even done browsing around. Things are expensive. No ways. Yeah, things are expensive. But yeah, at home they sell like quality things, but they're expensive. Yeah, I'll check you guys. Shop guys. Thank you.
But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space. I need it, baby.
The smaller one. Guys, I am back. I'm back and I'm eating. I was so hungry. I was so pressed. Kamarot. So we're eating. Say hi, Hansi.
Hello. Welcome back.
It's a new vlog, yes.
Yeah. Hello, welcome back to our new vlog. Vlog in Africa. Okay, yeah. So as you saw, she was at North Africa. So now she's back home. Or she was pressed. And now we are
Yes, I was pressed. Now I'm eating.
Oh my God.
Guys, why? I actually wanted to come and talk about this. Why chicken licking real wahanti? Why like these things are so salty. Mines are so salty. Khanswar are highly sharp. But I've tasted it. They are not as salty as these ones. Like why? And if there are chips that I don't like, get the chips that chicken licking. But Hanzo doesn't mind. I'm actually gonna give him all my chips because he has even already finished eating his. I get the ratisham, the chips that chicken licking. No ways.
It's nice. It's very nice.
What's wrong with your voice?
I don't know.
Are you totally different?
Yeah.
And you must drink that.
Hello.
You must drink that cough syrup.
Oh yeah. Wood.
Which
The other
is
one.
yeah, which is the other one?
The real Kamogalo. The real Kamogalo. Okay.
Ah, wabatung.
Okay. The real Kamogalo.
That's your voice. I'm also waiting for Mr. L. I bought him food as well, so he should be here anytime. It's a SpongeBob. Saturday will TV about. No, actually, what's my other phone? I'm watching a YouTube video, yeah. The 90 Days Fiance couple, Akini and Benjamin. Yeah, if you haven't watched this, please go check it out. Boundaries, guys. Boundaries. Come in, my baby. Boundaries. So, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hi.
It's cold, no?
Wala to niya jola. And we've been thinking like a market like
You should have came. You should have came. Shame, it's cold, ne? Excuse.
Hanya. Baby.
I don't know when. Ish. Baby, I'm so hot, boy.
Atonya, baby.
Atonya.
So hotspot.
Period.
Bheka uqeda kuthenga ifoni mara akana data yazi. Ngizomtshela idatha ungitshela 13000. Ifeni wena wathenga ifoni ungasalanga ngechange. And bese bekumele ashude namhlanje ufika ngamahili karoko iathaya yikho angazi ukuthi yazi usiswe uba uyahamba nanku
Do you know what they say about Iraso?
kibe sona ratsana mo uba none akiye uba ibhadale yimi uba akasela mali usesi uthenge iPhone yaphela imali ngabhadala iuber yakhe makahamba.
Do you know what they say about iPhone users and pictures? Or you gonna get them after 3 months? You're gonna get them after 3 months. Hey Southafrica squad, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Let me take this off, they're probably reflecting. Okay, I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to another day of this vlog. The last time I saw you guys, I was at church. I think that's the last time I saw you guys. It is a Monday, the 24th of June, and it is later on in the day. It's after work, and I just got here. I washed dishes. Hansa is not here. Hansa is doing a sleepover or Mam Pizzo. The Pizzo family have become the most important people in our lives. Appreciate them so much. I know they're watching this vlog. Yes guys, I'm alone. I just washed dishes and I want to cook, but I'm gonna just make chicken. Mr. L is gonna come with a salad and some chips. Hopefully I'll show you when he gets here. And yes guys, I am, as you can see, I have all the microwave, it's open. I want to spray paint using this spray that I bought from Take a Lot. Yes, also you guys, I did my nails after a long time. I did my gelish. I'm gonna do my toes probably on Friday or on Saturday. I'll see. It's Mr. L's birthday weekend. My plan is to take him out for supper or for lunch because I know he might work on Saturday. I'm not sure, but his birthday is on the 26th. So yeah, by the time you guys watch this vlog, his birthday would have passed already. After all, you guys, Usvarawen, your favorite Svara, the one and only Svara that you've seen on this channel. So so yes guys, I want to do the microwave, so I'm gonna do it with you guys. So let us start spray painting. Let me just turn down the camera and then we're gonna spray paint. I'll probably do a voiceover, I don't know, or you'll just see guys, né? You'll just see. So let us spray paint. guys. Hey guys, I hope I'm visible. Hey guys, I hope that you are well. Today is a Tuesday, the 25th of June. So guys, my energy is so low because I'm actually having terrible period pains. Yeah, I just want to take a shower and eat something and try to sleep. I have hectic period pains. So after work I went to Pep. Tomorrow it's Mr. L's birthday, so I quickly want to do this because he might knock anytime. I quickly went to Pep and I got this birthday gift bag because I received my order from Superbalist. It's this and this. I bought him an Adidas jersey and an Adidas sweatpants. So I quickly want to take these things out camo and then get a camo and then quickly hide the bag as well. The other gift is with Fidile. we're hiding it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have watched till this far, I appreciate you so much and I love you so much. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please do hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you feel like I'm a girl that you want to see every Monday, please do hit that subscribe button and put on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any videos every time I post. Thank you so much, you guys. So I just quickly came here to close off the vlog and to show you this. And yeah, I'm going to unbox this. Yeah, this is somebody else's gift, you know. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's just an Adidas jersey and an Adidas track pants. So it's nothing fancy, you know. So but anyway, yes, this is somebody else's gift. So yes, I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.
Beauty in the struggle. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my